Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. IJ's Maths Clinic. Today we'll be discussing the second type of number, which is the integers. We say integers are numbers that ranges from negative infinity to positive infinity. What do I mean by that? Let's say we have a number line. We call this number line. And at this point, we have 0. We have 1, 2, let's say dot up to infinity, positive infinity. Then here we'll have minus 1, minus 2, up to minus infinity. The number line here represents what we call the integers. And because they are part of counting numbers, though they start from minus infinity to positive infinity. One of the examples of what we use the integers to do is what we call the directed numbers. You see, directed numbers are numbers that have a duration, either it is positive or negative. They are used to represent quantities that can be increased or what decreased. That means they can have minus, like an integer, which has from minus infinity to what positive infinity. So now there are rules. We can add, we can subtract, we can also multiply and divide directed numbers. So let's see on the addition part. Call it operations. Operations on directed numbers. On directed numbers. Operations on directed numbers. The first rule there says that when we have the same sign, we add. What does that mean? So we'll have our m, we have m as a number. Then we'll have minus n. This gives us m plus n. When we have the same sign, we add. Then also, let's say when we'll have on number 2, when we have different signs, we subtract. Let's say we have minus m minus plus n. We'll have different signs, so we subtract. This becomes m minus n. Also, if we have, let's say we have minus m minus n. In this case too, our minus m remains. The minus gives us plus n. So we see when we have the same sign, we add. When we have different signs, we subtract. Example. Let's solve an example. Example 1. So we'll have 6 plus minus 2. 6 plus minus 2. Now in this case, we'll have 6, which is a bigger number, and we'll have minus, which is what? A smaller number. So we'll say 6, this thing implies 6 minus 2 because they are of the same, of different signs. So we subtract. This gives us 4. Example 2. If we have 3 minus 4. Now they are of the same sign as well. So I have 3 minus gives us what? Plus. This gives us 7. Example 3. If we have minus 8 minus plus 10. Minus 8 minus plus 10. So we have minus 8. Of course, there are different signs. What do? We subtract. Minus 10. This gives us minus 18. The real ideology in subtraction of numbers on directed number is that you use an instance of owing someone. Let's say you're owing someone, let's say you're owing someone 10 naira. 10 naira, and you have 5 naira to yourself. At this point, you have no money because you are still owing this person minus 5. So that's why directed number can be used for what? To represent quantities that can increase or what? Decrease. Because you are still owing, whatever you are going to have in your pocket becomes what? Minus 5. And you see, debted numbers are always used in bank balance sheet. You will see sometimes you have negative, that means the budget is deficit and the rest of it. So debted numbers help us to balance equation or to represent quantities that are on increase size or in negative side or in decrease size. So let's solve this exercise. Example 1, we have solved the 7 minus 7 minus plus 2. We have 8 minus 10. 3, we have minus 2 minus 8. Then 4, we have 8 minus plus 12. So let's try to solve this equation. I would like to see your responses at the comment section. Thank you.